Terrariums are a beautiful way to get your green on in the winter months when it's too cold to grow anything outside. Closed terrariums are lower maintenance as they utilize the water cycle. Yeah, that one you learned about in science class. So there's less watering. And water terrariums are mesmerizing and just as easy to care for. Both add that trending living element to your home decor. For the closed terrarium, you'll need a large glass container with a glass lid, small rocks, activated charcoal, potting soil, decorative rocks or moss, and a spray bottle. You'll also need plants. I love succulents for terrariums. Some plant blogs say that succulents aren't good for closed terrariums, but I use them and they grow huge and out of control in a humid environment. But you can also use mosses, ferns, and other humidity-loving plants. Start by adding an inch layer of small rocks on the bottom of the glass container. Then add a layer of activated charcoal on top of that. Next, add at least an inch of dirt. Tamp down gently with your fingers. Add the plants. Top with decorative rocks or moss, or both. Add water to the spray bottle and spritz the dirt around your plants. You don't want to soak it, but you do want to give a few decent sprays. Close the lid and place the terrarium in a spot where it gets plenty of light, but the sun isn't beating down on it all day. Mine sits in a window where it gets partial sun and plenty of indirect light. I spritz the dirt once a week or when I notice that there's not a lot of condensation on the glass anymore. You'll also want to leave it open once a week and let it breathe for about 20 minutes. Clean out any algae growth as you see it. For the water terrarium, you'll need a glass container, decorative rocks, and distilled water. Water plants, aquarium plants, and Marimo moss balls work really well. Place the plants into the glass container. Add enough decorative rocks to anchor the plant and hide all of the roots. If you're using moss balls, add those after the rocks. Add distilled water and fill until the plant is covered. Place it in a well-lit area with indirect sunlight. Change the distilled water once a month to keep the terrarium looking fresh and clear. On the fly, DIY.